How to link Waze with Spotify for music playback? Let's jump right in. Open the Waze app, tap the three line at top left corner, then go to settings. Scroll down and find music or audio player, tap on it. Here you will see different music app. Tap Spotify. If you don't have Spotify, you will see install next to it. Tap on it and install it. It may take some time. After installing, go to the main screen. You will see music icon at top right corner. Tap on it. You will see option with Spotify. Tap on it. It will try to connect with Spotify. If you haven't already, Waze will ask you to log into Spotify, enter your credential, and accept Waze to access Spotify. Once connected, you will see Spotify icon on the Waze map screen. Tap it and you can browse playlists, album and song directly while navigating. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.